Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious potatoes. It's a quick and delicious recipe you don't want to miss, so let's get right into it. For this recipe, I'm going to use 2 Russet potatoes. And I'm going to wash the potatoes. Before I cut this potato, I'm going to grate some cheese, because I'm going to need it for later. I'm grating some mozzarella cheese. That should be enough. I will put the cheese aside. You need a scraper. Okay, I need a scraper. Okay. And now I'm grating some cheddar cheese for later to top the potato. A little bit more should be enough for the 2 potatoes. Already. Okay, so it's time for me to cut the potatoes. We're going to put the cheese aside for later. And so now I'm cutting the potato in half. I use Russet potatoes because it has a lot of meat into it. Voila. Okay. So I'm going to brush the potato on both sides with melted butter. And if you're new to the channel, please let me know where you're watching from. And subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next recipe. I brushed the potato with melted butter. And so now I'm going to season the potato with salt and pepper. Okay, I line this tray with parchment paper, and I'm going to place some soft butter to bake the potatoes. This is for the first potato, this is for the second, this is for the third, and this is for the fourth. So let me put it a little bit down here like that. Okay, already. Now I'm using the cheese that I grated earlier. I'm going to put some on top of each half of the potatoes. Okay, there you go. We're going to put some cheese on the bottom like that. Let me add some more into that. Make sure it's well coated. First one, the second one, like so, like that. And I'm going to brush the other side with melted butter as well. Let me know which country you're watching me from. I would love to know. You're gonna love these potatoes. It's gonna look fancy like you at the restaurant. Alright. And then we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna coat it with some, we're gonna cut the other side with some salt and pepper. Not a lot. So I'm gonna bake the potatoes at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna chop some sweet peppers so I can garnish the potatoes after they baked. Normally I will just use scallion, but since I don't have any, I'm gonna use some sweet pepper. You know, even though I don't have the scallion, the potato will look very elegant with the sweet pepper. It should be enough. So let me check now. The potato should be ready by now. Let's insert a fork. Let's see. We're gonna check that. Yes, it's ready. It is ready. And this potato is ready. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh. The potato is golden and beautiful. Potatoes are so ready. I'm gonna add some sour cream on top. Wow, it's so golden and beautiful. So ready. It's so soft, so creamy. I'm gonna tap the potato with some sour cream. And I'll tap it with some cheddar cheese. This potato looks so beautiful. Just like that. And to finish, I'm gonna add some sweet pepper for color. Doesn't matter if some fall on the side. There you go. Beautiful. And I hope everybody will enjoy it. And I really hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to like and share your comments. I will appreciate that. Thank you for watching.